Ever assigned user input directly to innerHTML? Congratulations. You probably just introduced a cross-site scripting vulnerability. The primary reason to choose text content is security. When you assign a string to innerHTML, the browser passes it as HTML, including any script tags or inline event handlers. That's cross-site scripting, or XSS. An attacker can run arbitrary code in your user's browsers. Text content never passes anything. It inserts raw text, so malicious markup is displayed as literal characters, not executed. Beyond security, there are two more differences worth knowing. First, performance. innerHTML triggers the full HTML parser and can cause DOM reflows, while text content simply replaces a text node. Much faster. Second, what you read back. innerHTML returns the full HTML string, including any nested tags. Text content strips all markup and returns only the visible plain text. So when does innerHTML make sense? When you genuinely need to inject HTML structure, like rendering a component template or building nested elements dynamically. Also note that text content handles special characters like ampersands and angle brackets as literal text, never interpreting them as HTML. innerHTML would pass those as markup, which can silently break your layout. Default text content for safe, fast text updates. Only reach for innerHTML when you actually need to inject HTML structure. Follow for more JavaScript interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.